Hello everyone! Ang i-discuss natin for this video is all about silver bullet model. Ayan. So ano nga ba si silver bullet model? Ayan, entry model si silver bullet wherein at least meron kang higher time frame narrative, and then meron tayong specific window time wherein we look for an entry. Okay? So what we use here is yung New York time zone pa rin. So in here, as you can see, meron tayong London silver bullet which is from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. sa New York time zone, and New York AM silver bullet from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. sa New York time zone, and meron tayong PM session which is 14 to 15. Okay? Pero ang ifo-focus natin for this video is all about New York AM silver bullet. Okay? So, paano nga ba yung gagawin nating entry sa silver bullet? Okay? So, let's say for example, meron tayong candle which is pupunta tayo sa hourly candle. Mamark natin yung candle 9 a.m. na high and low. Same dito, high and low. And then, pupunta tayo sa 1 minute time frame or pwede yung at least 3 minutes. Yan, hanap tayo ng entry and confirmation if possible ma-take out yung low. Pwedeng hanggang sa 50% or pwede mong i-target is yung 1-2. Okay? So, yung silver bullet natin for New York AM session is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is New York time zone, okay? 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. ng New York time zone. Okay? So, let's say na take out yung 9 a.m. hourly high natin dito. Yan. So, we are expecting na possible, this is not 100%, so hindi ka laging makaka-entry everyday. So, mag-entry ka lang if magpakita sa'yo yung entry, yung confirmation mo na meron talagang intention si market na after niya ma-take out yung high, bababa siya, or after niya ma-take out yung low, aangat siya. Okay? Also, yung mga entry natin is within dun sa 10 to 11 lang. If umabot ng 11 a.m., lagpas 11 a.m., wala pa rin yung entry natin, hindi na tayo, or wala pang na-take out dito, and then wala pang confirmation ng entry, like this one, then let that day go na, hindi ka na mag-entry doon, okay? So, in this example, ayan, meron tayong market structure shift dito, meron tayong FVG dito, nakapag-entry siya dito sa baba dito. So, meron tayong re-entry dito, pero pinaka-safest na entry yung dun sa reversal ng from 9 a.m. na high. Okay? Yan. Okay, siguro punta tayo sa chart example. Meron akong ni-ready dito for Euro USD. So, here, yung oras natin is 9 a.m. Minark ko yung high and low na 9 a.m. Okay, now punta tayo sa lower time frame which is yung 9 a.m. Ayun, yung low natin, i-extend lang natin. Nakamark na ba yung 10 a.m.? Ayun. So, yung window time natin is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Remember, New York time zone tayo lagi. Okay? Okay. Extend na lang natin to. Titignan natin alin yung unang mata-take out. Yan. Move natin yung market. Yan, unang na-take out to. So, I'm expecting na possible aangat yan if meron tayong confirmation na aangat siya, and we can target this high. Okay? Remember, yung entry is within lang sa 10 to 11. Silver bullet window yan. Okay? Okay, hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon ng confirmation. Bumababa pa rin yung market. So, I'm not sure if magkakaroon tayo ng confirmation dito. Yung bumababa. Ayun, umangat. Okay, so meron tayong market structure shift dito. Okay, we can actually enter dito sa FVG na to, or meron din tayong breaker block na na-form dito. Here. Yan, breaker block. Tapos meron pa tayong FVG dito. Mas prefer ko na mag-entry doon sa breaker block. So, pwede natin mag-entry dyan is dito sa pwede dun sa after closure, pwedeng right after mag-close nyan, mag-confirm na aangat tayo, pwede ka na mag-entry market order, or you can wait here for a better risk to reward ratio, then SL pa rin natin dito sa swing low, and we can actually target yung 1:2 only. Okay, so try natin yan, and then meron din tayo, pwede naman ganito, here, same SL, and you can actually target here. What you can do is, pag halimbawa napunta na dito sa 1:2 yung target, yung price, pwede ka na mag-break even. Okay? So let's see. Ayun, natag na pareho. Okay? Ayan. Yan. Pwede mo nang i-move yung SL mo dito sa break even. At least, safe ka na. Okay? Or, what you can also do is, hindi ka mag-alis ng SL mo, take partials here. So 1:2, kuha ka ng 80% ng position mo, and then let it move na dito. So kahit matalo pa yun, konti na lang yun kasi 20% lang ng position mo yun. Okay, so let's see, paabot ba? Ayun, umabot ba? Okay, move na lang natin. Ayun, umabot na dito. Okay, ayun. So ganun lang, pwede kang maghanap ng entry dito within lang. Okay, punta tayo sa isang example natin dito. Ito sa example naman na to is gagamitin natin is crude oil. Okay, from hourly time frame, 9 AM high, 9 AM low, punta tayo sa 1 minute, and we're going to look for a entry. Yan, extend natin dito, i-mark mo yung 10 to 11 kasi doon lang yung entry natin, from 10 to 11. Di yata nakamark yung 11. Makamark naman. Ayun, hanggang dito naka-extend na pala yung line. Okay, so hintayin natin may ma-take out na isa dyan. Oops. Ayan, ma-take out na to. So I'm going to look for a reversal dito. Okay, by the way, mas prefer ko yung mga ganito, yung may stop hunt tayo na so mas okay yung mga breaker entry dito. Pero if meron naman confirmation na aangat tayo like this, we can look for an entry here in this inversion if magkaroon tayo ng confirmation dito. Yan, ganyan. Wala pa confirmation. Okay, wala pa. Ayan, umangat na siya. So, what you can do is, you can actually look for an entry here, or you can enter here, and then same lang yung SL mo. Yan yung mga possible na entry natin. And then, you can target 1:2, or you can target yung pinaka-high dito. Dito, i-target natin is 1:2 lang. Yan. Wait lang mukhang hindi na-tag yung natin. Ito, hindi na-tag to. Ito, market order to. Ayan, mukhang hindi na-tag yung isa. Okay, TP hit na tayo dito, and then kung yung pinaka main target natin, which is this high, ayan, TP hit na rin. Okay? So, yan. Yung entry natin is within 10 to 11. Now, another example here, sa gold naman, minark ko yung 9 AM high and 9 AM low. Now, punta tayo sa lower time frame. You can look for an entry within 10 to 11. Okay? Yan. Okay, we are moving lower. Okay, hindi pa rin na-hit yung high and low natin ng 9 AM. Okay, patapos na. Okay, ayan. Pag ganyan yung nangyari, hindi ka na mag-entry. Okay? Let it go na. Pwede kang mag-enter dun sa New York PM, hanap ka ng entry dun, or sa London bukas. Okay? Pero, wag mo nang ipilit. Huwag ka na maghanap ng setup dyan. Kasi, ayan. Kahit magkaroon pa rin ng confirmation dyan, going lower, hindi na tayo mag-entry dyan. Hayaan na lang natin. Ayan. Mukhang bababa. Mayroon tayong confirmation. Ayan. Yan yung mga type of entry na hindi natin maiiwasan. Talaga nangyayari yan. Hindi matatake out yung either side. Nag-range lang tayo within dun sa silver bullet window. So, wala tayong enter dyan. Okay? Let it go. So, another example here. Minark ko ulit yung high and low ng 9 AM. Then, minark ko 10 to 11, which is yung entry time frame natin. Now, punta tayo sa 1 minute. We can extend this line and look for an entry within dun sa silver bullet window natin. Okay, ayun, hindi ko mahanap Ayan, okay. Ayan. Mukhang iti-take out niya to Hindi niya na-take out. Magandang target yan. Hindi ulit niya na-take out. Okay, bumaba. Okay. Alright. Kung nakikita nyo, smooth edges to. I see this as a good target for me para maka-profit. Okay? So, kung magkaroon tayo ng confirmation dito, now we are going higher, I will look for an entry dito. Okay? And target this high. Wala ba tayong na-form na FPG? Okay, dito yung inversion natin sakali. And wala tayong breaker block dyan. And walang breaker block. Doon lang yung FPG, right? If ito bumaba, then most probably bababa na yan. Pero if ma-violate yan, inversion na yan. Yan, meron na tayong confirmation. We can enter na dito. Right after closure and confirmation. Then SL dito. And then you can target this. If titignan mo, less than 2R, pwede pa rin yan. Okay. Pwedeng entry dito. Okay. Hindi binalikan. Buti lang nag-enter tayo ng market order dito. Ayun, nabalikan pa rin. So, kung nag-enter tayo ng limit entry dito, natag pa rin tayo. Okay? So, let it go lang. Yung entry natin is within. Okay. So, hindi pala valid to kasi outside na. So, hindi tayo mag-enter dyan. Entry lang dito within dun sa 10 to 11 window ng silver bullet. Okay? Umabot ng PM session. Ayun na tipihit. Anong oras to? Okay, umabot ng around lunch ng New York session. Pero, ayun. Entry lang natin always within dito sa 10 to 11 silver bullet window. Okay? Ayun lang. I hope it's clear. And if meron kayong questions, as usual, chat lang kayo. And then, yun lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.